Alright, so we're going to go through some more hip mobility exercises. So with these ones, you can literally start from the easiest and work your way up. Biggest thing, especially when working through our hips, when we're obviously moving throughout the gym, we're never just stable working unless if you're literally at the bottom of the squat. So when you guys are doing most of these exercises, I want you guys trying to move and make it a little bit more dynamic. So the very first one, nice and easy, for your glutes, literally stepping all the way through, pushing through there, and then turning your head the other way so you feel a good stretch from there. Up from that one, so I want your leg up and over. Then, so from the side, you can get your right arm to pull on that leg, and then your left arm to pull that knee away, and then you'll feel a far greater stretch up in through that glute for me. So those ones are two a little bit more static. And then from there, so these ones are a lot more dynamic. I want your leg out in front, almost at like a right angle, your left leg back as far as you can. Then sitting over the top of it, you'll really feel a deep stretch up in through that glute. Now from there, coming over the top of your hip, making small little circles, about 5 to 10 going your left way, and about 5 to 10 going through your right. Obviously, it's just so we're not sitting in the one part of the joint, the hip socket, we're actually moving on through, trying to get all those muscle fibers warmed up. So about 5 to 10 on one side, then 5 to 10 on the other side. Your next one from there, I want you guys to do are small little circles, and then they're called into fire hydrants. All right, you'll see why in a second. So from this position, about 5 to 10 circles with your hip. Imagine you're trying to draw a circle with your knee, okay, from the ground, and that's gradually getting bigger and bigger. Once you've done 10 one way, 10 the other, then we're going to open up. So fire hydrants, imagine like a dog, and then coming straight up and down if they're taking a piss on a fire hydrant. So coming all the way up, all the way down, really opening up through those glutes, and then swapping sides. So make sure little circles, gradually getting bigger, and then opening up through that hip.